Hi, I'm Steven from LCA, and today I will show you how to use the model checker. The model checker is a feature we have designed to help you check the usability of the data you're uploading. And with usability, I mean, of course, for the purpose of undertaking a carbon or life cycle assessment study. It doesn't matter if you're uploading an Excel sheet or perhaps a BIM model or anything like this, but for my example here, I'm going to be using a Revit model. I have already opened the Revit model and I opened the plugin. All I have to do there is send the data to one-click LCA and it will start the import process. There are a couple steps to go through, but at least the review step is needed for this. I've already done it earlier in another tab and I can see it after the combining there are a number of issues that it highlights. The thing that the model checker can see is, for example, if there are unconventional classes, if the material names are too generic that they could, for example, be anything, or if there is composite materials or out of scope materials. All these issues are fixable. You could, for example, download an Excel sheet and discuss with whoever sends you the model, but you can also take it as a note and continue with it that way. These issues create errors and they will be shown besides the materials. They're also taken into your building materials page if you continue. Not all of them are actual problems, but some of them could be useful to take into consideration. When we, for example, talk about composite materials, there might be more material behind just that entry. And when, of course, when we talk about generic errors, they can be pretty much any material. So the model checker is not necessarily a tool which tells you that something is definitely wrong, but it checks at the usability of the data you've uploaded. So I hope this will be a very useful feature to help you check the quality of your models if you're not really sure of the quality or the model has not been made by yourself.